I should record this through my computer, but this is actually easier to just record off my phone. Today I'll be showing you this tool that you can use for quality assurance when you're testing for bugs, or if you just need to reproduce something and show it to someone instead of recording it through a screen recorder, or you could just record using your phone. But this is a pretty easy tool on Windows 10 that you can use to record each step, and it lists each step that you're doing, so that might be kind of helpful. So I'm going to show you. At the top right, click on the taskbar and then type in recorder. As you type in recorder, you can just type REC. The first option that'll show you is steps recorder. So you could have actually typed just steps recorder. That's the tool I'll be using to record each of my steps. And it brings out this little toolbar called steps recorder, and it's really easy. Just move it off to the side so it doesn't record the recorder taskbar, and you just click on start record. So I've opened this Firefox window, which I'll be doing my, let's say troubleshooting. So I'll go to, let's say, Google. Okay, from Google, I will then go and do a Google search. So you see I clicked on Google search, and then I'll type over here, and then I'll select Fry's Electronics, and I'll click on the video, and then I'll go and click the back button. So each step that I do, each mouse click, it records it onto this recorder over here. And I can stop recording, and you'll see this new window that opens that's called Steps Recorder again. And it's the same window actually, but it's just bigger because now it shows exactly what you recorded, and you scroll down below. It shows you which window was clicked on, and it'll tell you at what time and what you did on there. It's pretty cool if you don't want to send a video, because this will tell you what you did. You left clicked, and then you chose the search combo box. And so, like I said, this is pretty useful if you don't want to send a video. And it has word-by-word description of what you're doing, so the person who gets this this will save it as a special HTML file. I'll go ahead here and click save. And so I will do, let's say 1, 2, 3, and it saves it as a zip file. Go ahead and save it. And there it goes. And I just need to go to the zip file to show you the file itself, but this is the first part. So continuing, here's the zip file, which I can double click, and it's a MHTML file, so it's pretty straightforward. You just double click on that, and it'll open a web page. Let's try doing this again. Double click that. Opens the web page, the same type of steps recorder thing that we saw. And here's the web page with each step. So if you're interested in a simple tool to record the steps and make it easily displayable for someone to read, I think Steps Recorder is pretty cool. I just learned about it today, and I've been testing for quite a while, so you can see how uninformed I am. But this is pretty neat. What's it called? Actually, the reason why I was looking for a recorder was that my microphone was broken, so I was trying to troubleshoot that. But anyways, I came across this and I thought it was a nifty tool. So again, on the top right, just go to where your start start button is. For some reason, I moved mine from the bottom left to the top right. Let's just click on there and type in steps, or type in recorder, and you'll find steps recorder. And from there, you can use the app steps recorder. If it doesn't show up on your computer, it's probably because it's already running. It says, I'm going to click OK. I think this is steps recorder. And I can do a new recording if I want to. So that easy might be useful for those of us who are testing on Windows 10.